What's up, everybody? I'm back. If anybody's there, if you guys could see the screen and hear me, just let me know. Okay, cool. So I'm recording this one so whoever's not here can watch it again, but this is the U stock trade account. We put in $100, and remember I said yesterday I was messing with it for the last few days. I wanted to see about getting in and getting out of positions quickly, and yesterday nothing was really moving, but I was pretty much just getting in and getting out. So it costs $1 to get into the trade and $1 to get out, and then you pay $1 per month for U stock trade. I'm definitely going to add some money here this week to it. I'll probably put 500 or 1,000 in there. I'll talk with the wife tonight now that I got a nice comfortable feeling for it now. The trade executions are pretty much instantaneously, and I'll show you here, but you really need to have like Thinkorswim or another platform open. They do have price charts in here, which is pretty cool, so you can kind of, if you know the strategy, you can kind of implement it there. They have strategies here, but it's kind of like, you can put a stop loss order on it, or you can trigger a stock to buy. Like if I wanted to come in here on TRXC, I could go into strategy and create an alert at a price target, and then if I wanted to get in the trade, I could set it up to automatically take the trade or cancel it for me, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's not, as far as the things you really are looking for as a day trader, it's not gonna work unless you have another platform, in my opinion, because you really can't come in here and get all the information that you need. I do believe, yeah, here's a news feed on here. This one, SOS, doesn't have any news, I guess. So again, overall, I give this a 5-star rating, plus some. You can see now, we took 5 shares on SOS, we're up $3.57. Now, had we put 1,000 shares on SOS, that would be $3,590. I was sitting here listening to Bazinga Pro for a minute, and I saw that he came out. There's circulating rumors out there for a $20 price target, and since that news came out, it's just been going up. They're not able to short it. And again, I had this on watch anyway because of Wall Street bets. So I'm not going to close this out anytime soon, unless it just starts tanking. But let's see, we got $21 available here. So let me just show you guys. Let me open up my other computer. I had it shut off because I wasn't in here. But let me open up Thinkorswim on the other one and see what's moving, to show you guys just how quickly you can get in and out of these trades. And this is basically unlimited day trading. As soon as I close out SOS, the funds are going to be immediately available to retrade with. So you can't beat that. I mean, this is like, I don't know why I haven't seen it. I think I was watching a video the last time before this came up, and I saw it, and then the next day I told you guys about it, but hang on. So, yeah, because when I was first starting this, I was trying to find something to get around the PDT rule. I knew of CMEG from, forever ago, but I never heard of this before. I've never seen anybody mention it in any of the groups. Like, that was a nice big red bar on SOS. That was the first of its kind. Let me get, I may just get out of SOS. Let me see. Let me get it back on the chart here. I'm going to keep this up here. kind of trying to get set back up real quick. All right, so let me see if there's anything moving. I'm not going to open up all my systems, so I'm just going to kind of keep this. So, well, let me see something. Alright, it won't do that. Alright, let me go to OCGN. So we go to OCGN. Okay, it's trading at 12.42, so I'm going to put in one quantity here, and I'm going to buy it, and then it's going to ask me to confirm it. And then look how quick that filled. I mean, it filled instantaneously. Just like that. As quick as that. But now you can see right here in the red, it charged me $1 to get in there, so I'm down $1 on it. So now to get out of it, again, you just hit quantity 1, and then you're going to hit sell. I'm going to give it a minute because I notice here on the chart it's coming right up to the 20, so there might be a chance that we get a little pop here. And again, I didn't plan on buying that. I just bought it and happened to notice where the thing is. So yeah, it's starting to rise up. It's hitting the 20. We'll see what it does. So again, you know, you got your price chart here, and again, it's really nothing like it's not something that I would rely on for trading. But you saw just how quick we were able to get into this trade. I mean, it's honestly, I think, a little bit better than Webull, honestly. Webull's not as fast as Thinkorswim, but they are pretty good. But I mean, this is right up there. This is top notch for your fills. And that's one thing that I was kind of concerned about, you know, when I first was looking into it. So anyway, I'm just going to sell it, and then it's going to ask me to confirm again. And now the funds getting back take a little bit quicker, like 2 or 3 seconds. But now I'm ready to trade again with that $19.87. I mean, to me, it's just amazing for anybody looking to get away from the PDT rule completely. You know, this is the platform. You know, you throw 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 in this and use it in conjunction with Thinkorswim. Use Thinkorswim for your Bazinga Squawk, for your charts, for your scanners. And I don't see any problems whatsoever, which is why I'm going to put money in here so we can go live in the afternoon for the people who can't go live with us in the morning, because you can only trade on here from 9:30 until 4 p.m. So it's Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 4. I haven't had an issue getting any tickers in here, as long as you stay with the ETFs. You know, you're not going to be able to do futures, you're not going to be able to do OTCs, but your ETFs are what we trade anyway. So overall, if you're looking to get out of the PDT rule and never have to worry about it again, this is definitely, I would recommend this. Again, 5-star rating on here. So definitely something to keep an eye on. And for those of you who are under the PDT rule, I would highly recommend this. Now SOS is kind of doing a double bottom here. I have it up above on Thinkorswim where you can't see. But I'm going to sell 5 shares of SOS and just hang on to 2 of them. And then again, 1, 2, within 2 or 3 seconds, the funds are available for trading again. Oh, did I just sell out of that? Did I have anything? Yeah, I must have had everything 5. I thought I had more than 5. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown. And this here is where you type in your tickers, KMPH. So you just have to type them in, and when it comes up, you do it, and then it will open it up here. And if you have like more of them, let's put Tesla. I recorded this one, yeah. So if you have Tesla in there too, now you can use these little buttons and slide from side to side. So it's great. I mean, I really like this setup, especially in conjunction with the Thinkorswim, because it's like you have your order tickets right in front of you, and they don't go away until you X them out. And you have your open orders right here and interested, and this says watching. That's just showing you I have up on my screen here, so I can take them off as I want. But the thing that you can do here is you bring up your Thinkorswim platform, and you don't need your active trader or your time in sales. And then you can go like this. So you can have your ticker here as you're watching it on Thinkorswim. Can you guys see this, what I did here? No, you can't. Let me go to a different screen. I'm not sure if it's going to show you what I'm doing. No, it's not. Let me see if I can screenshot it, and I'll show you guys. Hang on one second. Alright, I just took a picture with my camera. I'm going to send it to Discord so you can see what I'm talking about. You can have it like side by side. And let me get that out of here. Okay, I just shared it to the general tab. I guess I shouldn't. No, to the group chat. Perfect. So you can have your you can have this open and have your Thinkorswim here in this outline. So you can trade with it with your Thinkorswim if you just have like one computer or something. So you can watch your monitors and your charts right here, and then you could just trade here according to the rules. But I gotta tell you, I am so impressed by this stock trade. I was kind of skeptical about it, but I have no more skepticism, if that's a word, about it. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little video on this. I did record this. I'm also going to put this up on YouTube as how to get around the PDT rule. One thing I do want to say with it though, it took us about 2 weeks to get it approved for it. First you got to apply, then they approve you, then they send 2 deposits to your bank account. Once you confirm that, they send you another notice saying we are confirming your bank account. Typically everywhere else, once you confirm the deposits, that's the end of the road. But with them, I guess they do a little bit extra, I don't know, on their end. But it did take about 2 weeks to get it up and running. Again, if you're under the PDT rule, this, in my opinion, would be 100% the best way to go to grow a small account quickly. And with that said, in use and conjunction with the Thinkorswim platform, because by itself, you can't trade on it. I mean, you don't know what's running, you don't know what's moving in the market. Basically, all you could do is come here and type in tickers. Because honestly, if you don't know anything about the markets, how are you going to know what tickers to look for? So yeah, I guess I should add that also. You definitely need another platform with scanners and charting and tools, because this one does not have any. But it does have a lot of cool features on it again, which is awesome. So alright guys, I'm going to jump off again. I just wanted to show you guys this stock trade. I think it's really cool. And should be good to go. And again, it's $2 per trade, $1 to enter, $1 to get out, and it's $1 a month. But all that money goes to a good cause. I forget the charity that it goes to, but all this money, all the money they make, it's not for them. It's for a charity that they started, and this is why they built stock trade. You could Google it and research it, but you know, I'd be happy to pay way more than that for where the money's going. So it's definitely worth checking out for anybody that is concerned about the PDT rule or wants to get rid of it completely. Alright guys, thanks again, and I'll talk with you later. Like a Hellcat.